So today I've been out here working again, and I wanted to check my fuel system, see how many leaks I got. I got a lot. I've been trying to have it show fuel pressure, and I'm still trying with that. But I thought I'll try and start it off of the fuel pump. I really should have recorded that circus because I could not get this thing to shut off. Somehow, the ignition coil on the HMI or HEI stayed hot, and it just kept running until ran out of gas, which probably isn't very good because I don't have any cooling going on. So it probably ran for 2 minutes before it shut off. And the way I had to do that was unwire the fuel pump and just let her go. But I'm trying to figure out why that would happen. There's got to be something, I'm guessing, when I pulled the positive off of the battery. It should have killed power to that. First I shut the switch off, then I ran around and pulled the cable. The only place power could have been coming is from the alternator to there. Because over here with the battery cable, that's my accessory wire, I think. But yeah, it was kind of a circus, but it just sat and idled and was louder than heck. I'll try and start it another time after it's cooled off, and I'll see what I did with this tack, or not the tack, but the HEI. So this is my HEI. I'm glad I'm doing all this because when I tried to pull this plug, my distributor turned on me. That's still kind of hot. But I pulled this off to see if there was continuity between here and here. And you can see that says battery next to tack. But this charging wire goes over to that. So pulling the cable off of here would do nothing to stop whatever's wired inside of there to leave this still hot. I must have something on my switch, but I have this little thing sitting here, so I was sure to see my oil pressure. I was kind of blowing some smoke out of this. That's my temperature probe that I've got to get plumbed in. I'll do that before I put the front clip on, so that thing is the next thing I got to do. I came around and I hooked this all back up. This pink wire is the one that goes to my HEI. The red one is my hot from the battery, as it says right there, battery. And this is my accessories. For some reason, this one, it opens when I crank. I don't know why what's the point of that one? I don't know. But I have my accessory wire, my it says coil, ignition coil switch. And then I've searched this brown wire for some writing and I can't find anything, but I know there's a reason why I landed it. So with it off, I go out to the coil on the HEI and I measure, and there's no power. I turn the key and measure, and there's 12 volts there. And I turn it off, the 12 volts goes away. I can't understand how, without the battery hooked up, that thing's still running. Any help you can give on figuring this dilemma out would be helpful. Thanks. And thanks again for subscribing.